So the other morning, I'm making coffee, right? And I realize I am completely out of my favorite beans. Again.
Oh, no. The absolute worst way to start a day.
Literally the worst. And my first thought was just, oh, why can't my AI assistant notice I'm low and just handle it?
Right. Just magically order it for you in the
Uh-huh.
background.
But then pure terror kind of set in.
Let me guess. You imagined it hallucinating and buying like 100 bags of Ethiopian yirgacheffe.
Exactly. Because handing over my actual real credit card number to a language model feels, fundamentally reckless right now.
It really is a massive trust bottleneck. I mean, we have these incredibly capable models right now that can write complex code or draft beautiful emails.
Right.
But functionally, they are entirely broke. They can't buy a plane ticket or order your coffee because, well, nobody wants the financial ruin of a glitch.
Which brings us to our mission for this deep dive.
Yeah.
Because today we're looking at a brand new Stripe blog post from April 2026 and a GitHub repository for something called Stripe/Linkly.
Yeah, this is such an exciting development.
It really is.
Yeah.
Stripe has essentially built this infrastructure layer that finally gives AI agents a secure way to spend money on your behalf.
Right. They've introduced Link's wallet for agents using that Linkly tool you mentioned. And the core breakthrough here is an air gap.
Okay, an air gap. Meaning what exactly?
Meaning your raw payment credentials, like your actual credit card string, are just never exposed to the AI.
Wait, if the LLM doesn't get the credit card number, how does the transaction actually clear? Like, what is the agent actually seeing?
It sees a one-time use virtual card or a shared payment token, an SPT.
Oh, okay.
So when the agent needs to make a purchase, the link line acts as this intermediary, requesting funds. Link then generates a temporary credential that is mathematically locked to that exact transaction.
Okay, so it's less like handing a teenager your unlimited black card, which is terrifying.
Definitely terrifying.
And more like giving them exactly a $20 bill to go to the movies.
That is a perfect analogy, actually.
Like, they have a digital gift card that literally only works at one specific movie theater for exactly one ticket and just self-destructs if they try to buy candy with it.
That's exactly the architecture. The token is bounded. Even if the AI totally hallucinates, it physically cannot execute a transaction outside the parameters you've defined.
Structurally, I understand the token, but what is the actual workflow? Say I'm using a personal shopping agent like OpenClaw to buy a $35 bottle of powder vitamin C serum.
Right, great example.
How does the agent secure that highly specific digital $20 bill?
So it starts with a formal spend request. OpenClaw generates a request containing the merchant's name, the amount, and the context.
But it doesn't execute immediately, right?
No, not at all. It triggers a push notification to your Link app. You review the exact details, you see the $35 for the serum, and you manually approve or deny it.
So the agent is basically paused until I hit yes.
Exactly.
I understand the security of that, but if I have to approve every single $35 purchase on my phone, doesn't that sort of defeat the whole purpose of an autonomous agent?
It does feel a bit manual, yeah.
It sounds like I'm still doing the work.
Well, for a consumer setting up a new agent, that manual check is crucial for establishing baseline trust. But you're right, scaling that is a significant engineering challenge.
Building these intelligent workflows to know, like, when to ask for permission versus when to act autonomously.
It requires serious infrastructure.
Which actually makes this the perfect moment to mention today's sponsor, Embersilk. Because if you want to build these kinds of autonomous workflows yourself, you really don't have to figure out the infrastructure alone.
No, definitely not.
Embersilk is the ideal partner. Whether you need help with AI training, automation, software development, or just uncovering where agents can make the most impact for your business, you should check out embersilk.com for all your AI needs.
It really is a complex space to navigate without a good partner.
So back to that bottleneck we were talking about.
Right.
If I'm not just a single consumer buying serum, if I run a vertical SaaS platform or a marketplace with thousands of AI agents...
That's at scale.
Yeah, I absolutely cannot manually approve push notifications all day long.
No.
How is Stripe handling programmatic scale?
This is where they introduced Stripe issuing for agents. Basically, Stripe is exposing the issuing API directly to agentic workflows.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so instead of a consumer app pinging your phone, a marketplace can programmatically issue these virtual cards directly to their sellers' AI agents right behind the scenes.
Got it. So the platform sets the parameters via API, completely bypassing the human approval click.
Yes. Imagine a logistics AI that could automatically pay a supplier the exact millisecond inventory drops below a certain threshold.
Using one of those pre-approved scope tokens?
Exactly. It just seamlessly removes the friction of machine-to-machine payments.
Yeah.
We are really talking about building this vibrant, automated internet economy
Yeah,
here.
our systems just collaboratively and securely handle all the busy work without human data entry bottlenecks.
It really is this massively optimistic leap forward, letting technology handle the friction so human beings can focus on higher-level creativity and problem solving.
I love that. It's just so inspiring to see how these tools are freeing us up. Well, before we go, if you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to the show. And hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Always a pleasure.
And as we step into this incredibly hopeful, automated future, I want to leave you with one final thought. Once these agents can act without manual approval using preset spending limits, what tedious purchasing chores will you permanently outsource to your AI while you sleep?